Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ted Bourgeois with American Emergency Preparedness, and your monthly training blast starts right now. I was walking down to the beach this morning, getting in my steps, trying to stay healthy, and it occurred to me that I really haven't reviewed my water rescue policies recently. With summer coming, with pool season and river season and lake season happening, we really need to review and make sure that we are up on this policy for the coming months, especially. Policies like that and incidents like that, we don't do them a lot, thank goodness, and it's difficult to stay ready for it if we're not looking at it and not practicing at it. So thinking about that, when thinking about a water rescue, as my head starts to spin, I think about more training, and I think about drowning and then people not breathing, and then I think about CPR. So there's a lot of layers to this incident that we could really work on quite a bit and be ready for, okay? So grab a partner at work or grab your whole group and work together, create a scenario, and then work it out, tabletop it. See what you would do and ask your partner different questions and have them ask you different questions. If you're a supervisor or a lead, well, now how would you direct your people on the floor? How would you move to task as it comes at you? How would you triage? How would you break that incident down and do the most important thing first and continue to do that throughout this incident? So incidents like these, we need to take a look at on a regular basis. We really need to look at, whether it's an active attacker or a fire or an active shooter or whatever it is, those incidents that don't happen a lot, we need to work on them because that's the only way we're going to stay good at it, okay? So we at American Emergency Preparedness, we love sending these things out, and we love planting a seed, as we call it, for you guys to take a look at these incidents and maybe do some work on them, okay? I'd appreciate it if you did that way. I know you guys are up to snuff, okay? So if you guys have any questions, you guys have any ideas for these 2-minute trainings, please reach out to us because we'd love to put some stuff together for your department specifically. At American Emergency Preparedness right now, we are working diligently to finish our active attacker online. It's been a ton of work, but it's really good. I'm really proud of it. So I can't wait to get it out, and we're very close to getting it out. We're also doing some new 2-hour webinars, which we would love for you guys to sign up. And it's such a great time to interact with professionals across the country and get to meet different people. I think it helps us. I think it's a good thing to mitigate some of the challenges that we have in our industry, and it helps each other be heard. So please sign up because we would love to have you there. As always, take care of each other, and you guys be well today, okay?